I am the CDAO at Pixelgen. I'm one of the co-founders, and I am responsible of the data analysis, the software development, and the computational method development as well. And on a daily basis, that means that I lead the team that develops Pixelator. So after you run your MPX workflow, Pixelator will process your raw NGS reads into ready-to-analyze pixel files. With Pixelator, we have innovated the way that we get antibody molecules from your raw NGS reads. Also, we have innovated into cell networks and how to call them and separate them from what is not a cell. We have also innovated on the way that we calculate polarization and colocalization values on your sample. And to understand what all this means, we have written extensive documentation and packed that into really nice software site where you can have also tutorials that guide you how to analyze your data. So Pixelator is an open source software. You can actually go to our GitHub and check it out. And we are firm believers at Pixelgen in open source development. We think that you can create really good commercial products out of open source. Actually, our software builds in a lot of programs and libraries that are open source, like Nextflow and Fcore and Graph network libraries. We couldn't be today to the point that we are at without all these already open source developments. Or datasets or public demonstration of the technology are going to be open and in a really good reusable license because we think also that people that are interested in method development or that are immunologists and want to go after new discoveries, they can actually use it and publish on them. So being Pixelator an open source project, we want to keep our roadmap and our discussions very open, talk with you about features and bug fixing. We obviously want to improve our colocalization and polarization scores that are the core of our technology. We want also to provide you with better annotations in your samples in terms of like cell types, and also we want to filter your data better because antibodies are sticky by nature. Also, we want to hear from you. We want this to be community driven. So we want to write better tutorials and better data analysis and advanced topics for you to analyze your data better. And think what you think about MPX and Pixelator. Get in touch with our top-notch applications team and tell us what can we do for you and for your experiments.